my name is Matt, and today we're taking a look at the top Android apps for July of 2025. I'm rocking the Pixel 9a right now. I'm doing a full day in the life video, which is going to come out in the next couple days, so definitely do stay tuned for that and subscribe down below. But let's just dive in, starting off with app number 1, which is Cosmos. I find Cosmos really good for just giving me great ideas in terms of aesthetic, because this is basically an app which feeds you a bunch of super aesthetic things. From interior design to fashion, architecture, photography, graphic design, anything visually pleasing is inside of this app, and there's this feed for you which is tailored exactly to all the things you're looking for. When you sign up for the app, it makes you put in all of your interests, and then it can tailor the feed for you. There's also a search bar inside of here, so you can go ahead and search for anything you're looking for specifically. But within one tab, you can save whatever you're looking at for later, and you can also find related content by uploading images or selecting specific colors. The app features AI-powered tagging, full text searchability, and even the option to create collaborative boards. You can even post in here to inspire other people, but I just find it great for getting ideas. App number 2 is Copy SMS code. So obviously most of you know that when you get like a two-factor authentication, it comes through text message, and it already does pop up for you in the keyboard, but it doesn't work across other apps like some third-party email apps and even third-party messaging apps. And so this app supports those, but also brings automatic copying. So you don't even have to copy it. It will automatically put it in your clipboard, and you can just paste away, and it will automatically clear it afterwards. It's fully offline, user data stays secure on the device. The app is also super lightweight, coming in at 2 megabytes of storage, and the developer commits fully to privacy. Next up is Super Alarm. I don't know about you guys, but I personally find that I just automatically snooze alarms now, or I automatically just press my volume key or power button to cancel that alarm, and then I end up sleeping in. So Super Alarm features wake-up tasks like math, memory tasks, and even wake-up challenges such as making you walk around in order to help wake you up. And it also includes power off guard, so you're not able to switch off your device until you complete the task. You can also go ahead and customize names, notes, sounds, vibrations, and even the weekday and weekend schedule. So if you're struggling to wake up and you keep dismissing all those notifications, then definitely check out this alarm app. I personally am always looking for great wallpapers, great Android apps, and just beautiful widgets to put on my phone, and sometimes it can be endless hours of searching. And so this app up next is called Creative App, and it basically creates a whole community of developers and app lovers where you can go ahead and create posts and share great apps and wallpapers with the community. And it offers thousands of wallpapers, ringtones, home screen layouts, mock-up designs, and all of this stuff is shared in the main feed that you can scroll through, and there's just tons of suggestions. There is a premium version if you do want to remove ads, but this app is amazing. It's really changed the way that I find things for my phone. Number 5 is an app called Gator. So I'm always installing and downloading things on my phone, and what comes with that is a lot of system cached files on the device, and it can overall just fill up in the background. And there can be just a bunch of like APKs and duplicate files that you don't need anymore. And Gator basically helps clear and organize that. So it's a visual storage analyzer that shows you a full breakdown and manages not only your files, but also backups and uninstalls. There's also an automated cleaning schedule mode you can set up to clear cache and junk. And there's even a tool which allows you to move files to external storage to free up space. And I think one of my favorite features is the duplicate file finder. I always seem to have duplicates, and so clearing those away gives me so much more storage. Next up is an app called Timewise. So I know a lot of people now are just glued to social media, including myself. I find that I go on there to get inspiration for these type of videos, and I just get sucked into the algorithm. And so Timewise evaluates how much time you spend in each app and kind of summarizes that from a yearly perspective, monthly, and even daily, so you can see full in depth on which apps you're spending too much time on. So inside of here, you can see all my time is actually spent in Cinema Free, which is an APK which basically gives you free movies and TV shows. And yeah, I use this app quite a lot. So 8 days of the year, I am watching content, which is okay because I am doing that in my free time to try and get away from just working too much. Here's the top 5 most apps that I use. As you can see, mainly social media apps. I just love the fact that they threw in that little comment at the bottom. You really do love Cinema HD. I really do. And in total, I've used my phone 1,023 hours in the last year, which is Kind of insane. In that time, I could have read 85 books, and I know that I would have got so much more from that rather than using my phone. Something that is pretty good is my average unlock time is only 5. I think that's pretty low. I think a lot of people will probably have that much higher in the double digits and possibly even the triple digits. And thanks to you guys, I get 179 notifications per day, which yeah, isn't too bad. I have a lot disabled, but yeah, that's why I tend to keep my phone on silent. Not only does it summarize all those things, but it gives you suggestions on how you can reduce screen on time. You can set app limits, create phone free zones, and even schedule downtimes, or even just use a physical alarm to prevent you from getting distracted. Number 7 is called Parcae. This is an AI mind map builder. So you can type in a prompt about a task you want to do, and AI will actually create and structure a mind map to help brainstorm and help track your progress, and even create the steps in order you need to achieve to get your goal complete. It also allows you to expand nodes and generate ideas from any point in the map. And you can even attach reminders to nodes to make them into actionable tasks. In terms of export options, you can export a high-res image of the mind map or just the bullet point list. Super ideal if you want to put that in a presentation. But this is a completely free app. There is some ads in there, and it's tailored towards students and creatives and people who just need to manage their time a little bit better. Personally, I love to build these things, but they just take so much time. And so the fact that you can just input a query and get AI to do it is revolutionary. And finally, I want to tell you guys about my wallpaper packs. So this right here is one of my new ones that's coming out fairly soon in a new pack, but I have a bunch to choose from on the website. And if you go follow me over on Instagram, I'll be giving away random discount codes. So that could be 25%, or it could even be 100% discount. So you get the stuff free. So go message me on Instagram, get that code, and head to my website and download some of my wallpaper packs. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's my top Android apps for July of 2025. And I am going to be doing a day in the life video on the Pixel 9a, which will be coming out in a couple of days. So stick around for that. If you haven't already, definitely do subscribe and let me know any of your apps that you like in the comment section down below. So I will see you guys later. Peace.